Gentlemen, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Parkres. Parkres is an ICO that focuses on helping people to find the necessary parking space for them in many mega cities. One of the biggest problem people face, especially drivers face, is where to park car. And from anywhere you are in the world, whether from Accra in Ghana, whether from New York City, San Francisco, Osaka, Japan, any city you may be, parking has been one of the major problems facing drivers in many cities. So now, if you have a parking space, you can place that on top of your app, Parkres, on their website. With that, people will be able to park on your space. So if you are traveling, if you are going to a particular street, you just have to click your location you are going to, and it will show you the available parking space, and you can book this parking space and you'll be able to use the parking space. That is what the ICO is planning to achieve. And this is the information. Park is a token symbol. It's built on ERC20 token, that is Ethereum blockchain. There will be token issue will be 200 million Park, and for available for ITO 85,000. The private sale is 10 million. Pre-sale is 20 and public sale is 55 million. So bonuses for private sale is 70%, for pre-ICO 15%, and referral bonus of 10%. So 50 cents is for one pack. 50 cents. Amon Mozaka is the CEO, or Kavita Jangam is the business development management and co-founder. Chief Finance Officer is Avid Betala, and you can find the one after another, and also the advisors for this project. You can find them here. So the white paper is also 35-page white paper. You can actually to read it and go through the white paper and see more of what this ICO is all about. I'm telling the Telegram 2,763. It has a reasonable estimate number of number of people involved with this ICO, and 21,400 followers. They have 21,400 followers. They have on their Twitter. So this is my review about Parkres ICO. I strongly believe parking, as all of us know, is a major problem in many big cities. So having this kind of project is going to be a good one for people. Everything on the blockchain will make it much easier. So that's my review of Parkres. I'm leaving the link below. You can click on it and get involved in the ICO. But do not forget, anything I say in this video is strictly my own opinion. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.